السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين، والصلاة والسلام على سيد المرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. أما بعد. Dear student, daily we are performing 5 times of a prayer. Yes, which are the 5 times of prayer? Dhuhr, Asr, Maghrib, Isha, Subh. These are the 5 times of prayer. Student, sometimes you may watch your father, your mother performing their prayers from their home. They perform their prayers in different times. Each prayer has its own fixed time. We should perform the prayers in its own prescribed time. We should perform the prayers its own prescribed times. The prayer performed before the time is invalid. It is batil. Somebody performed his prayer before the time. It is batil. It is invalid. Student, we should not belate our prayers. We should not belate our prayers. Belating prayer is haram. Belating is haram. Performing prayers in its own time is most beloved act to Allah. Performing the prayers in its own time is most lovable act to Allah. To perform a prayer earlier is more rewardful. To perform a prayer earlier, the first time of that prayer is more rewardful. And performing a prayer in congregation, that means Jamaat, that also meritorious deed. That also more rewardful. For example, your father, your brothers performed their Dhuhr prayer in Jamaat. They may get 27-fold of reward. They will get 27-fold of reward. For Jamaat prayer, we will get 27-fold of reward. 27-fold of reward we will get for Jamaat prayer. So perform your prayers in congregation, in Jamaat. Student, let us learn which are the fixed time for the prayers. Okay, first one is Dhuhr prayer. What is the time of Dhuhr prayer? Time of Dhuhr prayer start just after the sun begins to decline. Okay, the time of Dhuhr starts just after the sun begins to decline and last till the time of Asr. After the sunrise, it will move towards westward. It will reach on the top of our head. On the top of our head. When the sun begins to decline, that is the starting time of Dhuhr prayer. Okay, once again, what is the time of Dhuhr prayer? Time of Dhuhr prayer start just after the sun begins to decline and last till the time of Asr. Second one, Asr prayer. What is the time of Asr prayer? The time of Asr prayer starts when the shadow of an object equals its height. Okay, the time of Asr starts when the shadow of an object equal its height and end with the sunset. Time of Asr prayer starts when the shadow of an object equals its height. Third one, Maghrib prayer. Student, what is the time of Maghrib prayer? The time of Maghrib prayer starts with the sunset. Time of Maghrib prayer starts with the sunset and lasts till the time of Isha. Once again, time of Maghrib prayer starts with the sunset and lasts till the time of Isha prayer. Fourth one, Isha prayer. What is the time of Isha prayer? Time of Isha prayer starts when the reddish color of the sunset disappears. Time of Isha prayer begins when the reddish color of the sunset disappears and ends till the time of Subh prayer. Fifth one, Subh prayer. What is the time of Subh prayer? Time of Subh prayer starts from the Fajr Sadiq and ends at the sunrise. Time of Subh prayer starts from the Fajr Sadiq. Fajr Sadiq is a type of star that will rise at the time of dawn. So, time of Subh prayer begins from Fajr Sadiq and ends at the sunrise. Here we studied 5 times of prayer and their fixed times. Once again I repeat, we should perform our prayers in its own time. Performing the prayers in its own time is most lovable act to Allah. Performing a prayer before the time is batil. It is invalid. And to belating prayers is haram. Okay, there are 5 times of prayers are there and they have a fixed time also. The time of Luhur starts just after the sun begins to decline and ends till the time of Asr. Second one, Asr prayer. Time of Asr prayer starts when the shadow of an object equals its height and ends with sunset. Third, Maghrib prayer. Time of Maghrib prayer starts with sunset and ends till the time of Isha prayer. Next, Isha prayer. Time of Isha prayer starts when the reddish color of the sunset disappears and ends at Fajr Sadiq. Next, Subh prayer. Time of Subh prayer begins from Fajr Sadiq and ends at the sunrise. Let us stop here. ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم وتب علينا إنك أنت التواب الرحيم وارحمنا ولوالدينا ولأساتذتنا ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم وتب علينا إنك أنت التواب الرحيم آمين برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين بحق صلى الله على محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم صلى الله على محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم اللهم صل على محمد يا رب صل عليه وسلم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته